Good afternoon. My name is Satish Shashra Rathod from Arcipital Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur. My research topic is formulation and evaluation of thiocalciferol-loaded niazomal gel for its enhanced permeation. Introduction. About 1.5 million people worldwide suffer from rheumatic arthritis. RA is one of the most common and painful inflammatory diseases that can affect the human being. The incidence of RA among adults is double. Thiocalcicoside is a semi-synthetic sulfur derivative of colchicoside, a naturally occurring glycoside contained in Colchicum autumnale plant. It is used in treatment of orthopedic, traumatic, rheumatological disorder and post-operative pain. Thiocolchicoside is a drug of choice used in the form of topical gel to get relief from rheumatic arthritis. However, its topical gel form has significant less permeation across the skin barrier because it is a BCS class 3 drug having high hydrophilicity and low permeability. This drawback is removed by developing novel drug delivery system that is niazome. For niazome preparation, non-ionic surfactant and cholesterol used, which is act as a penetration enhancer. In this study, we have prepared the niazome, which is enhance the skin permeation and increase the drug deposition. To get optimized formulation, central composite design is used using design of expert software. Niazome were prepared by ethanol injection method. Different molar ratio of cholesterol and span was evaluated for influence on particle size and entrapment efficiency of niazome. The average entrapment of thiocalciferol niazomal formulation was about 75%. Objective: develop a safe, stable, effective neosomal formulation for thiocalcicoside to characterize the newly developed formulation, to perform the in vitro in vivo characteristic of newly optimized niazomal gel formulation, to develop a gel containing thiocalcicoside loaded niazome, to develop the formulation was designed to improve the permeation of drug. Materials and methods. Materials: thiocalcicoside span 60, cholesterol, carbachol 934, triethylamine. Formulation of the thiocalciferol nodal niazome by ethanol injection method. Cholesterol and span 60 are dissolved in the organic solvent like ethanol in separate because the thiocalciferol are dissolved in aqueous solution. The ethanol injection is rapidly injected in the aqueous solution under the magnetic stirring. After that is a probe sonication for reduction of the desired particle size in nanometers. After that, the organic solvent is evaporated by the rota evaporation, and then final the thiocalcicoside loaded niazomal suspension was obtained. Result: the optimized formulation having the particle size is 185.3 nanometer with greater distribution. The TAME image is confirmed the size and shape of the niazome is better distribution. The ex-vivo permission study, the niazomal gel shows 8.20% of drug. In contrast, simple gel show only 3.75%, which is significantly less compared to the niazomal gel. In vivo drug release profile, the in vitro drug release study show that up to 32.64 percentage of the drug was released from the niazomal gel within the first 2 hours, followed by prolonged release for 22 hours, about 63.71%. In contrast, simple gel formulation released the drug faster, where around 47 percentage of drug was released within first 2 hours. The anti-inflammatory activity of the rat induced by the coragen rat paw edema. The anti-inflammatory activity shows 11.63 to 35.86% mean ODI inhibition in 24 hours for simple gel, whereas it was found 49.39% for niazomal gel. Conclusion: the prevalence of the pain remains widespread and it is one of the major reasons for patients to seek medical attention as it is a component of many disease conditions. The developed formulation is a viable alternative to conventional topical gel as it provides sustained delivery. The developed system enhances the skin permeation as compared to simple gel containing thiocalcicoside. Thiocalcicoside loaded niazomal gel overcome the problem of the half-life and enhance the pharmacology activity of thiocalcicoside. The in vivo anti-inflammatory study data reveals that the prepared thiocalcicoside niazomal gel show the significant enhance the activity that the simple gel in Vista rats. Reference the details. These are the references and acknowledgement. It is a pleasure to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Sanjay J. Surana, Principal of RC Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, for providing me all the facilities required for my dissertation work, and I am thankful to Dr. J.B. Shevakar, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical, for their valuable guidance and supports. Thank you.